To start off my project, I sketched all my scenes and imported them into Adobe Illustrator. Then I used the pen tool on my graphic tablet to trace over my drawings. I would also use the shape tool, which would help with complex shapes. To add textures, I would normally duplicate the layer and make it a gradient layer. Then I would change the white opacity to 0, add the grain effect, and then change the opacity of that layer. Masking was also a technique used in both Illustrator and After Effects, mostly to create dimension and texture. To make complex shapes and maintain their symmetry, I would go into Outline mode, then into the Rotate Options panel, type in the angle, and then duplicate each object. To transfer Illustrator files into After Effects, I would release the layers to sequence. In After Effects, masking was also used to hide certain parts of the layer. I would usually keyframe 2 sections on the timeline. I would also do some color correcting on certain layers. The puppet tool was also used to animate different elements in the scene. The rotate, opacity and scale tools were also used.